In this video, I am going to show you how to translate as you type on Gboard. You can translate text into a different language while typing on Gboard. First of all, on your Android phone or tablet, install Gboard. Open any app that you can type with. Tap an area where you can enter text. At the top of the keyboard, tap the three vertical dot menu. Tap Translate. Pick the language to translate from. Pick the language to translate into. Enter your text. You will get a preview as you type. You can tap the preview to see variations of the translation. To use the translation, close the window. Tap the back arrow to close the feature menu. That was our today's video. Hope it was very helpful for you. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, please do subscribe. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.